learning to tolerate your sensations. I'm going to invite you now to sit down, become as comfortable as you can. Maybe your sensations are pulling at your attention. Allow yourself to settle into all that you experience. Find a moment of peace and settle into your chair. I'm going to invite you to close your eyes or to let your attention settle on a point in front of you. And as you look at this point, let your eyesight become fuzzy and unfocused. Allow yourself a moment, even if your body is not calm. Try to find an island of calmness and sit in the chair as comfortably as you can. I'm going to invite you now to bring your attention to your breath, not altering, not trying to change or control. Moment by moment, noticing how your body is breathing, where your body is breathing, how deep your breath might be. Perhaps invite you even to further bring your attention just to your tummy. Notice its rhythm, not altering, just observing, rising and falling, and the movement that comes with your breath. Thinking about your pelvis as you're breathing, noticing a slight rocking. Each breath producing a further rhythm moving into your body. Let's stay for a moment or two noticing the rocking in your pelvis associated with your breathing. I'm going to invite you now to bring your attention in even further. See if you can connect with perhaps an almost imperceivable movement as you breathe in your left leg. Breathing deep into your left leg now. Perhaps noticing your knee moving, or off the back of each breath, a slight rocking in your left ankle. Perhaps even see if you can feel the effect of your breathing right down into your left foot. Connecting each breath and how you breathe right down into your left foot. Now letting go of those sensations and coming over to your right leg. This time as you breathe, see what you can perceive in the movements moving into your right leg. The rocking of your pelvis, connected to a slight movement in your right knee. See if you can extend your awareness right down into your right leg, your right ankle. and right into your right foot. Breathing, observing, down into your right leg. Now letting go. Not worrying if your mind pulls you away. Not getting hooked in to whatever story is asking for your attention. Just breathing with your body. And when your thoughts or stories come up, as they certainly will in everyone's mind, allowing them to be there, choosing to bring your attention of spotlight back to your tummy. This time, trying to track the movement of your breath up to your chest. Perhaps for the first time noticing how your shoulders are involved in every breath you take. Noticing your movements, bringing your attention just to your body. No judgment, no meaning, just observing your tummy and your chest as you breathe. Widening your spotlight now to your left shoulder. Noticing the movement as you breathe, gentle rocking into your left upper arm, even down to your left elbow. See if you can breathe down into your left hand and fingers, noticing the movement, choosing to be in these places, not allowing your mind to pull you to where it wants you to be. Although this may happen, just returning your attention to your left arm and hand now. Now letting go of that and bringing your attentional spotlight to your right shoulder. Perhaps observing, is it different from the left? Moving your attention now down to your right elbow and your right wrist. Breathing deep into your fingers on your right hand, noticing the movement. Then letting go of your right arm and coming up to your neck. Notice the connection between your breathing and your neck and shoulders. Now up into your head. Not changing, just observing. Now breathing with your entire body. Allowing your whole body to breathe and move. Now I'm going to invite you to bring that attentional spotlight to a place in your body that is comfortable, perhaps without pain, and allow your attention to rest there a while, noticing moment by moment what comes up in this comfortable area. If you find yourself hooked in by thoughts or stories, allow them to be there and return your attention back to the comfortable area, noticing, observing, not judging or evaluating. Allowing. Moment by moment, dropping into this comfortable area, noticing it as if perhaps for the first time, noticing your reactions to dropping into this place. Now I'm going to invite you to bring your attention back to your tummy and watch the rising and falling of your breath for a moment or two, clearing out the place that was comfortable. Now choosing to bring your attention back to your stomach. This time I'm going to ask you to bring your attention to somewhere less comfortable. Perhaps somewhere with an irritating sensation or a painful sensation. And allow yourself to turn towards this place that perhaps so many times you have fought to turn away from. Step towards this place, noticing moment by moment sensations coming and going. Perhaps resist the urge to label and just observe each moment without judgment. Perhaps observe the quality of the sensations. Perhaps observe the way that sensations come and go in your attention. Perhaps observe how your mind might fight you to take you somewhere else and avoid. Stay. Observe without judgment. And when you're ready, bring your attention back to your stomach. Perhaps asking yourself, how do I feel in the aftermath? Visiting a place so long I've avoided. Perhaps noticing emotions that may have come up. Practicing stepping back from the story associated with these sensations and bringing yourself back to a moment by moment, non-judgmental observation of your body, of your stomach, of your breathing. And when you're ready, perhaps wiggle your fingers. Allow some movement back in your hands. Perhaps gently roll your shoulders. Gently move your arms, your feet and legs. Think about the room around you. And gently and peacefully allow your eyes to open and the everyday world to return.